Today we are going to see Alex De Minaur's training style and match strategy, stripped down to what actually shows up on court.
He had a pretty good year, a solid year, best in terms of what I finished ranking-wise.
Alex De Minaur wins his 10th ATP Tour title. The Australian marking his returns.
Matches slip away, which I definitely...
He has average height, not too much tall, still he reaches for every ball. He can make you feel like you are not hitting enough power, and he can reach every ball. He can make you think or force you to make unforced error, or that you need to come to the net so that you can finish the point, but still he reaches for every ball and gets the point. That's how he wins most matches.
Insane wheels.
His training style: full body, speed first, gym work. Compound lifts for strength, but programmed for power and agility. For speed, not bulk. He goes for core and stability works. Then he works a lot on his movement. Alex De Minaur shows us the blueprint. Speed is not just genetics, it's a habit. You can earn it. You can make it your friend. He trains full body. Strength for power. You need power when you want to hit a good serve, or if you want to hit a winner. You need power. You need muscle strength, right? And for that, you need to work. Spend some time in gym, do proper strength training workout, make it a habit. When he walks onto the court and makes every drill count, for him, footwork is not warm up for him. It is a rehearsal. He knows his strength, which is speed, moving better, anticipation, and he works on that. He do a lot of movement works on court, also in gym, and he loves it. Mental script: simple between point routines, breathing, one performance cue, neutral self-talk, and ahead of time if then choices, so pressure does not turn into overheating, or pressure doesn't create panic. He spent a lot of time in recovery because recovery is very crucial. He do a lot of stretching, as you can see in this video. So here is your takeaway: build a routine you can repeat under fatigue. Train quick feet, do a lot of movement drills, choose tap until they crack your opponent. Don't go for too much power. Don't do unforced error. Practice for depth.
Wow, sensational.
And you do not need to out-hit everyone. You just need to outlast your opponent patience and outthink their power. Be relentless, be efficient, and turn defense into your first strike.
What
You need
phenomenal
to do
work. I think
everything.
he thought he'd broken the rules at some point.
Drills,
Felt like he must have. He must have been
gym
a
workout,
centimetre, millimetres away from
recovery,
the net.
stretching, every single day.
I think Kwon was almost
Only
half-heartedly
then
playing the
you
rest
will
of the point
become
because he
a
couldn't believe it was
tennis
so
pro. Thank you very much,
Closest
guys.
you will see.
Hope from today onward you will be more serious. Also, eat healthy and stay fit.
decir en concreto números o cosas así, el plan número 1 es mejorar de este año, así que me encantaría pues
Stop spending your time and energy on extravaganza, noise, crowds that vanish after a loss, performances that look good but leave you empty. Build a circle that shows up for the wins and stays through the losses. That's the team that matters. Surround yourself with the people who really care more about your discipline than just for fun or spending time with you without any purpose or specific goal. Protect your focus. Keep your camp small and solid. You can be the next champ. Always trust in yourself. Do a lot of practice and definitely result will come. All right, champs.
But he gets back up and into this point. Looked like it was his. From here.
That is incredible, and that's another wonderful illustration of what Alex De Minaur is all about. And how good was that game?
I mean, 3 in a row. He got. No way. It's another point stolen by Alexander De Minaur. Oh, this guy is special. Speedy Gonzalez covering the court. And he's got the poise and the skill to